Benefits of garlic. Beyond imparting mouth-watering zest to recipes of all kinds, garlic also offers some incredibly healthy benefits when eaten. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties. More recent scientific interest in garlic's antimicrobial powers has uncovered its potential to protect against viruses, bacteria, and fungi, thanks in large part to allicin. It gives your immune system a boost. In addition to making it harder for pathogens to take hold, garlic may also help fortify your immune system to fight them off by boosting the white blood cell response. The sulfur content of garlic, in particular, is known to enhance our immune response. It has promising anticancer properties. Though more research is ongoing to fully understand the specific anticancer activity of garlic, many studies suggest that consuming garlic may help safeguard against cancer, and that several of its bioactive molecules kill or inhibit the growth of cancerous cells. It helps reduce your risk for heart disease. Substantial research has found that garlic plays a role in reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases like heart attack and stroke, namely by lowering high blood pressure and regulating cholesterol levels, including lowering LDL, or bad cholesterol.